Outstanding.
Welcome again to another video. This is a Vybz Kartel type beat, and this is how I go break it down and make you hear it in the end of this video. So please stay tuned to the end of this video. First on this list is a sound from Karg Wave Station. I'm playing the key of C, and this is what the chord progression look like, and this is what it sounds like. The second sound on this list is a sound from Reactor 6 from Native Instruments, Carbon 2. The preset is the bird, and I have adjusted a little, and this is what it actually sounds like with this chord progression also. Third sound on this list is a pad sound from Omnisphere. It's called Gentle Renaissance. Yes, and this is the chord progression and what it sounds like. Fourth sound on this list is a reverse pad from Omnisphere also, and this is what it sounds like. The fifth sound on this list is analog vibra lead from Omnisphere, and this is what it sounds like. I copied the progression from the previous sounds and layered it also with this. The next sound on this list is Homecoming Cascade sound from Omnisphere with the same chord progression, and this is what it sounds like. I added a bass line from Jupiter 8 from Roland called Ba Bass, and this is what it sounds like. The drum pattern, this is the first one. All the sounds from the drum pattern has come from the dancehall trap kit, and for the hi-hats I have selected them with various velocity, and they are played in a bipolar way. So on this you have one set of hi-hat variations, and on the next hi-hat you have a different. So it's slightly played in conjunction like a layered hi-hat, but it gives different flavors, so it doesn't sound as constant as possible. The mixer track and the bass, I added an EQ, some distortion, and side chained it. On the ARP, I added an EQ, high pass filtered it. On the analog lead, I added another EQ, high passed it. On the reverse fat pad sound, I added an EQ, high passed it. And the gentle renaissance pad, I added an EQ, high passed it. On the bird synth sound, I added an EQ, and this is what the crazy EQ look like. On the Africa pluck sound that I have added an EQ, and this is pretty much what it look like. This is what the drum and bass sounds like. This is what the rhythm sounds like in context. If you like this beat, it's a wonderful beat, and you want to see more content, please consider subscribing, hit the bell notification button, follow me on all social media platforms. Link in the description below of my website with a bunch of goodies there, including this drum pattern and chord progression. Until the next time in another video. Peace out.